What's up, folks? Chef Nate here with another quick kitchen tips video. And today I'm going to be talking to you about mushrooms. And no, not that kind. Alright, so here we go. If your mushrooms are extremely dirty, you can rinse them off quickly in water. But know that mushrooms act like a sponge and they're going to absorb any moisture very quickly. So the best way to clean them off is just get a paper towel and clean them off quickly like this. Now the first thing we want to do with our mushrooms is remove the base of the stem. You can see how dried out and hard that is. We're just going to remove that with a knife. And if we're doing sliced mushrooms, you're going to want to use the tip of your knife. Because if you look at a chef's knife this way, you can see this side is a little bit thicker and it thins down. So the thinner side is for more delicate chopping. So go ahead and chop the mushroom in half, give us a nice level base. And curling your fingers, you're just going to go straight down, letting the knife do its work. And there you have it, folks. That's Mushroom 101. If you like this video, please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your grandma especially. Thanks, and have a great day.